Tshirunzi means dignity or honor in Tshivenda. Inspired by the timeless African tradition of welcoming and serving guests with grace and respect, the Tshirunzi double serving tray is a contemporary African luxury serving piece that celebrates hospitality through exceptional craftsmanship and refined design. Meticulously crafted from premium hardwood, the tray features two elegantly integrated serving compartments that provide both functionality and visual harmony. Every curve, edge, and detail is machined on the EasyRoute router from AM.CO.za with great precision. And once the cutting is done, the pieces are carefully hand-finished to reveal the natural richness and character of the timber. The result is a statement piece that seamlessly blends modern sophistication with African heritage. Each tray is individually crafted and can be customized in a selection of premium hardwoods, finishes, dimensions, and engraved details, allowing every client to own a truly unique piece of contemporary African design.
My name is Bruce, and you can email me at info@thatepicdesign.co.za for more information. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.
At AM.CO.za, we sell machines, we fix machines, we teach machines, and we feed everyone in the process, just for you.